Okay, in this example we're going to look at how we can picture taking percent of a number. Let's do the example 20% of 60. Now before we do this, let's first look at what 20% looks like out of a traditional 100 squares. So 20% literally means 20 per 100. So I could write that as a fraction, 20 hundredths. Now there are 10 columns and 10 rows in this block, so there are 100 squares. 20% would be 2 out of 10 columns. So I'm going to go ahead and shade in 20 blocks, 20%. Now the interesting thing happens here is when I change the whole. So I'm going to change the whole, and instead of having 100 blocks, now I'm going to change my whole and have 60 blocks. Let me show you what that looks like. It's a kind of different picture. There are still 10 columns, but there are only 6 rows. So that means that our whole is out of 60. Now 20% still means the same percentage is shaded. That's going to be 2 out of 10 columns. So let me go ahead and shade 2 out of 10 columns here. And you can see that because these are different size blocks, I now have 6 and 6. That's 12 blocks that have been shaded. So 12 out of 60 blocks were shaded, and that means 20% of 60 is 12.